Selamat datang ke SP Malaysia. Ini adalah Form 4 MX lesson bab 1 part 2. Okay, welcome to SP Malaysia. This is the Form 4 MX for chapter 1 function for part 2. So for those who haven't watched for part 1, okay, you may click the link in the description and watch the part 1 for the revision. Sebab kalau tak pernah nampak part 1, mungkin kamu ada sedikit tak faham untuk part 2. Okay, so now we go to the exercise. Okay, for part 1, we already discussed for 1.1, 1.2. So now part 2, we are going to discuss for 1.3. Okay, hari ini kita bincang untuk 1.3. So let's see here, gx is 3 plus 6 per x minus 1. Cari image, find the image. Okay, remember, you see this one, you can change to equal sign. Tukar kepada equal sign. So gx is equal to 3 plus 6 over x minus 1. Okay, so find image, maksudnya cari dia punya y. Find the image, find the y when x is -5, x is -2, and 1 over 2. Okay, cari y apabila x ini nombor. So first one, when x is -5, what is the answer? What you do is you just sub the x with -5. Ganti saja ini x dengan -5 and then cari answer. Itu saja. So 3 plus 6 over x 5 -5 minus 1. Okay, berapa dia punya image? What is the image for x -5? Okay, so here 3 plus bracket 6 over, and here -5 minus 1. Okay, you press calculator. If you use another calculator, don't forget to put bracket here. Okay, untuk yang bawah ni jangan lupa letak bracket. If you use another calculator lah, yang hitamnya. Okay, so answer is 2. Okay, then when x is -2, what is your image? Okay, when x is -2, so sama juga ganti dalam x ini. Okay, 3 plus 6 over -2 minus 1. Okay, kita cuba tekan lagi. You may try also use your own calculator. Kita tekan sama-sama. -2 minus 1. Okay, can you tell me your answer in the chat? Tulis kamu punya jawapan dekat chat sana. Okay, you will get 1. Okay, I hope you get answer. Kalau dapat answer, boleh bagi tahu cikgu. Okay, last. When x is 1 over 2. When x is 1 over 2. So, ganti dalam sini. 3 plus 6 over 1 over 2 minus 1. Okay, let's check answer. 3 plus 6 over 1 over 2 minus 1. I get -9. Okay, so apa maksud dia? Maksud dia macam ni. I draw the diagram for you, so you can easily to see. Okay, contoh, we got x, and then we got y. Okay, we have the y, we have the x. So contoh ini x, object, ini adalah y, image. X is domain. Okay, part 1 explained already. X is domain, y is codomain. So when x is -5, my answer is 2. When x is -2, my answer is 1. When x is 1 over 2, my answer is what? -9. Okay, inilah dia punya hubungan. So what is this? This is 1 to 1. 1 kepada 1. Okay, then this one I erase. So now they ask you, they say, Can you find the image for B? Given that B image is 2B, diberikan image B ialah 2B. So image B, so B is X. And then image dia adalah 2B, so this is Y. Remember or not? GX is Y. Y is GX. So maksud dia, GX, okay, copy again the question. GX is equals to 3 plus 6 per X minus 1, right? So GX is Y. Y dia sudah bagi. Y is 2B. And then X is B. You just change like this. Maksudnya GX image to 2B, X object adalah B. Find the B value. Cari nilai untuk B. Okay, dia cakap nilai-nilai yang mungkin. Maksudnya ada 2B. Sebab nilai-nilai. Okay, maybe got two answer for B. They give you plural. Kalau English senang sikit. They will write like this. Values, bukan value. Ada S maksudnya dua answer. Okay, so here, how you're going to do, I will move the 3 to the left side first. Pindah 3 ke kiri. So I left 6 over B minus 1. And then I am going to move the fraction go up. Yang ini pergi ke atas. So the whole thing needs to times, darab dengan ini The whole thing times with this one. So dia pindah ke atas. 2B tolak 3. B tolak 1 sama dengan 6. Okay, how to solve it? Let's multiply first. Kita darab dulu. 2B darab B. 2B darab negatif 1. So this one become 2B square. And then 2B times negative 1, negative 2B. Okay, lepas tu. Negatif 3 darab B, negatif 3 darab negatif 1. Okay, so negative 3 times B is negative 3B. Negative 3 times negative 1. Negative, negative, positive. So positive 3 equals to 6. Okay, ini adalah quadratic. It's a quadratic function. How to solve it? Okay, if you don't know how to solve this one, you can revise in our video for Form 4 Mathematics. Okay, you can watch in the part 2 quadratic function. I will teach you how to solve more details. But here I will teach you directly by using calculator. Okay, so sini kamu kena pindah 6 ke kiri dulu. You must change this one become equals to 0. So I move the 6 to the left hand side. So 2B square. And then ini kita boleh selesaikan. Negatif 2B, negatif 3B jadi negatif 5B. And then plus 3 minus 6. I move the 6 to the left hand side. So 2B square minus 5B plus 3 minus 6 berapa? Negative 3. Okay, here I teach you directly using calculator. Macam mana? Okay, ingat. I will change to ABC. I show you here. I will change to ABC. Yang ada B square, this is A value. Then B value is this one. C is without B. Okay, B square is A. B is negative 5 is B. Negative 3 is C. Okay, ingat so set label A 2. B is negative 5, C is negative 3, and then please press your calculator, tekan mode, 3 kali, 3 times mode, you will get EQN. And then tekan mode lagi to get degree. You will saw unknown. Kamu nampak unknown, but I don't want unknown. I want degree, and then press 2. Why 2? Because this is B square. Paling tinggi adalah kuasa 2. So degree 2. After that, you key in your ABC. Okay, for example, I show you here my calculator. This one is, I can directly choose 3 AX square plus BX plus C. Okay, so A is 2, B is negative 5, C is negative 3. I get my answer 3 and negative 1 per 2. Okay, kamu akan dapat ini. You try, kamu try. 3 mesti dapat. Another one kamu dapat negatif 0.5. you get in decimal place, make sure you change to fraction. Shift ABC. Kamu biar ABC atas negatif. Okay, you press Shift ABC, you get negative 1/2. Okay, so here I write. Saya tulis ini. So, B, jangan tulis X, tulis B. B is 3, another B is negative 1/2. But, of course, I cannot do by using calculator kan. Tak boleh tunjuk terus guna calculator. You must show your working. Okay, you must show your manual working. Okay, macam mana tunjuk? B sama dengan 3, so B tolak 3. And then this one, B sama dengan negatif 1/2. 2 naik atas, so jadi 2B. 2B. Negatif 1 jadi positif 1. Finish. So I get my B answer already. This is my working. Okay, ini saya padamkan. This is my working. Okay. Mungkin ada sedikit susah. Let's do for the next example first. Okay, kamu kena pick up one by one because maths, of course, is harder than normal maths. It's harder than modern maths a little bit. So we just need to pick up the basic. Okay, tengok sini pula. Second question. Okay, second question, they say hx equals to kx minus 3 over x minus 1. And then they ask you to find the value x. Okay, so here they say H2 equals to 5. Apa maksud H2 equals to 5? Ini adalah Hx. So this is x. When x is 2, answer is 5. Okay, apabila x 2, y 5. So I tuliskan ini dalam bentuk equal dulu. I change to equal first. So here is kx minus 3. This is x minus 1. When x is 2, this is y. Ini y saya. This is y. This is x, right? Okay, so when y is 5, and then x is 2. So k, the x I highlight for you. All the x change to 2. So it's 2k minus 3, and then 2 minus 1. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to solve the k. Of course, I solve the 2 minus 1 first. Kita selesaikan ini. Okay, 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so I can erase the 1 already. Saya kasih hilangkan 1. 5 equals to 2k minus 3. Okay, so negative 3 pindah ke kiri. Jadi positive 3, right? 5 plus 3, 8. So this is 2k. 2k equals to 8. 1k equals to 8/2. 8 bagi 2, 4. Okay? Okay, now I do for B. This is x. So this time, my x is 3. My y is k. Ingat, hx is y. Okay, so my y is k. And then my x is 3. So kx, 3k lah, minus 3. Bawa 3 minus 1. Okay, let's solve for the number at the bottom first. So k equals to 3 minus 1, 2. 3k minus 3. Okay, so sekarang 2 kena pindah ke atas. So k times 2, 2k. Tinggal 3k minus 3. Okay, so what is a k now? Can you write the answer in the chat? What is a k value? You solve and find the answer. Yes, the answer is positive 3. Okay, macam mana dapat positive 3? The 2k, okay, let's say 2k, I move 3k to the left hand side pun boleh, or I move the 2k to the right hand side pun boleh. Okay, saya pilih 2K ke kanan. So, negatif 3 pindah ke kiri ya. So, negatif 3 pindah ke kiri jadi positif 3. And then 3K, and then 2K move to the right side become minus 2K. So, sini K equals to 3. Done. So far, faham tak? If you understand, can you write +1? I want to see you understand or not how I'm going, how I'm doing this type of question. Faham tak? Kalau faham, tulis senang. Okay, faham, eh? Okay, so let's see the last one. Okay, last one. K is X. This is Y. Okay, this time X and Y both is K. So ingat, HX is Y. And then all the X change to K. Ikut ini ya. So HX is K. Then here is K times K. K square. K square minus 3. This one is K minus 1. Nampak tak? K times K is K square. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this one to the left-hand side. Tak boleh selesai sudah kan? K minus 1. Move to the left-hand side. Darabkan dulu. Okay, so here K times K minus 1 equals to K square minus 3. Okay, K, sini kita kembangkan. Okay, draw for you. K times K times negative 1. K is what? K times K square. K times negative 1, negative K. Sini pula K square minus 3. Okay, so dua-dua ada K square. Let's say I move the K square to the left-hand side. Okay, saya pindahkan K square ke kiri ya. So become K square minus K. And then sini positive K square pindah jadi negative K square. Right-hand side and left negative 3. Okay, sebelah kanan tinggal negative 3. Sudah saya pindah ini ya. Then you see, K square minus K square, 0. Actually, in here you can cut already. Sini boleh potong sudah. Okay, actually you can cut directly. K square. So I left negative K, negative 3. Tapi saya nak tunjuk kepada kamu dulu macam mana saya hilang K square. Dengan tolak. So K square minus K square, 0. I left negative K equals to negative 3. Negative K, negative 3. So positive K, positive 3. Okay, so we're done already. Okay, so far so good. Okay, that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we do the next question. Question 3. Function f is equals to modulus. Remember modulus last week I got mentioned to you? This sign is called modulus. Modulus is change all the number, change number to positive. Tak ada negative ingat. Okay, so for modulus is always positive. Okay, so we copy this one first. Fx is equals to modulus 4x minus 3. Okay, so first question, can you find f negative 2? Maksudnya apabila x dia adalah negative 2. What is the image? Okay, when x is negative 2. So modulus 4 times negative 2 minus 3. Okay, so kita kira yang dalam modulus. Can you find for teacher inside the modulus? Ingat calculator tak ada tekan modulus punya. Okay, we just count inside first. 4 times negative 2 minus 3. Okay, you get negative 11. Negative 11. Tapi modulus sentiasa positif. Okay, modulus will change negative become positive 11. Okay, then next one. F negative 1/2. Maksudnya X tukar kepada negative 1/2. Okay, copy the question here. So when X is negative 1/2. So press your calculator. 4 times negative 1/2 minus 3. Okay, can you help teacher to find inside the modulus is what number? Apakah nombor yang ini? After you get your answer, please write in the chat so that I know you understand. Okay, answer is -5. Okay, dapat -5 kan? Okay, tapi modulus, so modulus will change to +5. Okay? Always change to positive. Dan kita buat B pula. Cari nilai-nilai X dengan keadaan Fx sama dengan 1. Okay, so Fx is Y, or we can say this one, Fx is 1. What is the X value? Okay, sini. Fx is equals to 1. But I don't know my X value. I don't know. Then modulus, ada modulus macam mana kita buat? How to do? Okay, you can bracket. You can open the modulus. But how to open? Take note. 4x minus 3 is equals to 1. So means that yang dalam ini, okay, yang dalam modulus ini mungkin positif 1, mungkin negatif 1. Correct? Because modulus 1 is 1. Modulus -1 also 1. Okay, so kamu kena tukar, kamu buka bracket ini, kamu cakap yang dalam ini boleh positif 1 ataupun boleh negatif 1. Can be positive, can be negative. Okay, if you open the bracket lah. Ingat open bracket, make the number positive or negative. Okay, so here 4x minus 3 if equals to +1, I move the 3 to the right hand side, become +3 kan. So 4x equals to 1 plus 3, 4. So x equals to 4 over 4, 4 bagi 4, 1. Okay, another one. When -1. So sama juga, pindah -3 ke kanan. Okay, -3 become +3. Sini 4x equals to what? -1 plus 3, +2. So, 4x sama dengan 2, 1x sama dengan 2 per 4. Ataupun you boleh cakap 1 per 2. Okay, 2 per 4 is 1 per 2. So, you get 2 answer. Ada 2 jawapan untuk situasi ini. Okay, let's see C ya. Soalan C pula. Okay, soalan C. Can you find the domain for fx less than 1? Okay, for question like this, I give you some explanation first before you do. Okay, kita jelaskan dulu macam mana kita buat. Okay, for example, I give you an idea. Fx is let's say equals to modulus 3x plus 1. Okay, and then I say fx is less than 3. Can you find the range of x? Cari julat bagi x nilai dia, nilai x. Okay, so of course you say fx adalah modulus 3x. Modulus 3x tambah 1 then less than 3 mah, kan? Then you need to open the modulus. How you're going to open? Okay, take note here. When you got modulus, you want to open. First, of course, you copy like normal. Okay, open like normal and then sign pun ikut saja. So 3x plus 1 less than 3. Then another one, of course, I must have -3 kan? Ada 3, mesti ada -3. Sebab modulus dalam dia mungkin positif, mungkin negatif. So inside here, I can say 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. How to open? This one, you need to change sign. Ini less jadi more. Then 3 also change to -3. You must change the sign as well. Faham? Okay, untuk inequalities, we call it ketaksamaan. Okay, ketaksamaan, you must do one is same without bracket, do another one also without bracket, but all the sign change in the here in right hand side. Okay, so sekarang kamu tengok sini ya, this one I delete Okay, untuk C punya, find the domain for fx is less than 1. So fx, I copy again. Fx is equals to modulus 4x minus 3. And then dia nak cari domain. Domain x, right? Domain is x, codomain is y. Okay, so I say that fx is less than 1. Kurang daripada 1. Jadi, modulus 4x minus 3 is less than 1. Then you're going to open the modulus. Buka modulus dia. So 4x minus 3 is less than 1. You write like normal. Another one, 4x minus 3 is more than negative 1. Okay, tukar sign kamu. Dua-dua tukar. Less become more, positive 1 become negative 1. Okay, so here 4x minus 3 is less than 1. So 4x is less than what? 1 plus, okay, move the negative 3 to the right hand side, become plus. 1 tambah 3, 4. So x is less than 1. Okay, less than 1. Okay, sekarang yang kanan ni. I will move the negative 3 to the right hand side as well. Pindah ke kanan. So negative 1 tambah 3 plus 3. Positive 2. So x is more than 2 per 4 is 1 per 2. Separuh. Okay, then you must think, can I combine? Okay, x is less than 1, x is more than 1 per 2. Okay, I can draw a line for you. This is 1, this is 1 per 2 kan? Ikut garisan nombor. So more than 1 per 2 to the right hand side. Less than 1 to the left hand side. Yes, it's in between, di antara. So you can join together. Ini saya bagi tunjuk sajalah. Apa yang lukis punya in exam. So you just say like, in between 1 per 2 and 1. Di antara 1 per 2 dan 1. In between. Okay, so far okay tak? Kalau so far masih boleh tulis okay dalam chat. Okay, so now I teach you for D pula. When fx is more than 5. Okay, fx just now is 4x minus 3. So they say fx is more than 5. Find your x, which is domain. Cari nilai x kamu. Okay, so I will put like this. Modulus 4x minus 3 more than 5. Okay, open the bracket. First one, open, and then salin macam normal lah. Okay, second one, you open. You must change your sign. More become less. Positive 5 become negative 5. Okay, this one okay tukar sign saja. Okay, let's do for the first one. 4x minus 3 more than 5. 4x more than 5 plus 3. 5 tambah 3, 8. So x is what? 8 over 4, which is 2. Okay, next one. 4x minus 3 is less than negative 5. So 4x is less than negative 5 plus 3, negative 2. So x is equals to what? Negative 2 over 4. Negative 2 bagi 4, negative 1 per 2. Okay, let's see, can we combine or not? Okay, lukis lagi satu garisan nombor. Garisan nombor sini. Sini negative 1 over 2. Sini 2. Okay, let's see ini x is less than negative 1 over 2 means to the left hand side, ke kiri. X is more than 2 means to the right hand side, ke kanan. Okay, means I cannot combine. Dia bukan di antara ini dua nombor. So cannot combine, you just leave your answer like this. Okay, ini answer kamu. But of course you can write nicer a bit lah. So means I can write like this. I can say x is less than negative 1 over 2 and x is more than 2. I don't combine it because cannot. Okay? So far okay tak untuk ketaksamaan? Bila nak combine? Bila nampak dia ke arah yang ke tempat yang sama. Is in between this number. Ini ke kiri ke kanan tak boleh combine. You just write like separate with comma. Ini boleh combine. Okay, so let's see the next question. Also modulus. So here they say, can you find the value when gx equals to x? Okay, so gx is equals to x. Gx modulus 6 minus 2x. And then gx is x. Means that these two are equal. Ini dua sama punya. Okay, I will say like 6 minus 2x is equals to x. Okay, macam inilah. Then masih ingat tak macam mana nak buka modulus? How to open it? Very simple. One open like normal. Another one open like how? Itu x tukar jadi apa? X tukar jadi negative x. Okay, now we are going to solve it. Okay, ada dua x lah. So, sini pun ada dua. Okay, so here I will move the negative 2x to the right hand side. Because this is negative, this is positive. I will move to the positive side. Saya akan pindah negative ke positive sana. So, x plus 2x. Okay, x plus 2x is what? 3x. So 3x, I rearrange that. 3x is 6. 1x, 6 over 3. 6 bagi 3, 2. Okay, then how about this one? Negative 2x, negative 1x, I will move to the right hand side as well. Pindah ke kanan juga. Sebab ini besar nombor, negative 1. Okay, 6 equals to negative x plus 2x. Negative x tambah 2x, 1x. Done. So x is 6. Okay, maybe you ask teacher like, can I change negative x to the left hand side? Can. Boleh juga, sama juga. Kamu akan dapat answer yang sama. Ini pun kamu boleh tukar x ke kiri juga. You will get same answer also. Okay, so answer is 2 and 6. Okay, ingat satu kali ya. Buka modulus, satu positif, satu negatif. Okay, let's go to question 5. Okay, question 5. Fx equals to mx plus c. And then diberikan F2 sama dengan 7, F4 sama dengan negatif 1, cari nilai M dan nilai C. Okay, this one you're going to do simultaneous. Persamaan serentak. Kenapa cikgu tahu? Sebab dia ada bagi 2. They got give you 2 relation. 2 hubungan sini. Okay, so first, let's do the first one. When x is 2, my y is 7. When x is 4, my y is negative 1. Ingat, fx is y and this is x. Okay, so f2, f2 is 7. So fx is 7 and x is 2 plus c. Okay, this one is for f2 equals to 7. Okay, ganti fx 7, x 2. So I will write like this. 7 is equals to 2m plus c. Okay, then another one. F4 equals to negative 1. Okay, maksud dia, saya punya x4, y negatif 1 kan. So, y ini tukar negatif 1. X tukar kepada 4. So, 4m plus c. Okay, I got 2 equation already lah. Ada 2. Ini first, and then ini second. Okay, kita buat sama-sama. Let's do together. Okay, we rearrange. The first one, I rearrange like this. 2m plus c equals to 7. Okay, depan belakang terbalikkan. Second one, 4m plus c equals to negative 1. Okay, saya tunjuk kamu guna penghapusan. Ini boleh buat penghapusan. Of course, you want to do substitution also same answer. Penggantian pun boleh. Okay, so sini C, atas 1C, bawah 1C. Can you tell teacher? 1C, I need C and C. C dengan C. Saya kena tambah ataupun tolak. Plus or minus to make it 0. Nak jadi kosong. C tambah C jadi kosong ke C tolak C jadi kosong? C tolak C. Yes, minus. So here I'm going to minus. Tolakkan Jadi 2M tolak 4M berapa? 2 minus 4 is what? Negative 2M. C minus C 0 lah. Tak ada sudah. C tolak C hilang 7 minus negative 1. What is the answer? 6. No. 7 minus negative 1 is 8. Sebab tolak-tolak tambah. Okay, so M berapa answer? Okay, so M adalah 8 bahagi negatif 2. 8 divide negative 2. So answer is negative 4. Okay, after you get your M, macam mana? Kamu boleh ganti balik kepada yang pertama atau yang kedua. Either one lah. Okay, I choose the first one Sama punya answer dia. Okay, so 2M plus C equals to 7, right? Then M kamu sudah dapat negatif 4. Okay, kita ganti dengan M negatif 4. Okay, negative. So 2M plus 4 is negative 4. Forget. M is negative 4. M negative 4. Okay, so 2 darab negatif 4, negatif 8. Tambah C sama dengan 7. Okay, can you solve for teacher? What is the C value? Cuba cari C dia berapa? Write in the chat box. What is the C value? 15. Yes, 7 plus 8. 7 tambah 8, 15. 15. So you get your M, you get your C already. Jadi ini kamu boleh cakap formula dia. M adalah negatif 4, C adalah 15. Okay, you know the M and C I sub in first. So this is a function. Then we can do for B already. So B question. Find the image of 2. Okay, cari image bagi 2 di bawah F. Maksudnya 2 tu adalah apa? They want to find image. Image is Y. So 2 is object X. Ingat image is Y. Object is X. So, kalau X saya 2, so saya ganti X saya 2 lah. My X is 2. What is my answer? You just sub in. Masukkan. Negative 4 times 2 plus 15. Okay, so kita buat. Negative 4 times 2 plus 15. Berapa answer? Kirakan. 7. Yes, dapat 7. Negative 8 plus 15, 7 lah. Okay, then C pula. Cari nilai X yang tidak berubah di bawah pemetaan X. Okay, apa maksud tidak berubah? Sini maksud dia, when I put my object is X, my image also X. Okay, faham tak? Object image sama punya, tidak berubah. So, okay, draw here. Fx equals to negative 4x plus 15. Salin balik ini fungsi. Means that fx, I still get x. Okay, I put x is x. My y is still x value. When x is 5, my y is still 5. When x is 3, my y is still 3. So, apakah nilai ini? What is the value? This one. Just now I give example nilai. Tapi apakah nilai yang betul-betul? Okay, just do like, these two are equal. Fx negative 4x plus 15. Fx is x. So kita samakan lah. Negative 4x plus 15 equals to x. Okay, this one I want you to do for teacher, can? Okay, kamu guna kertas, tulis dekat kertas. Cuba kamu kira berapakah nilai x and then write your answer in the chat, please. What is your final answer for x? Three. Okay, good. So sini 15x negative 4x pindah ke kanan jadi positif 4x. Okay, so here 15. X plus 4x is 3x. 3x ya. 5x. 1 tambah 4, 5. Okay, so 5x is 15. 1x is 15 over 5. 15 bahagi 5. Jadi berapa? Jadi 3. Okay, so actually we done already for today class, today lesson. So next week I will give you some other question. Okay, hope to stay tuned in the group and stay tuned in our Instagram. So see you next class. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching our lesson. Hope it's helped you in your study. So please join our Instagram, Facebook, and also Telegram groups to get more updates on our upcoming videos and also some free important information and some free notes that can help you. Now we also opening for registration for our monthly live online tuition by using Zoom. So every week we will have one class and one class is 1.5 hours. And it's a live class, you can ask teacher during the class. So after the live class, teacher will give you the recording for the live class so you can watch the video when you want to revise. And if you're unable to join the live class, you also can watch the video anytime you want. Besides that, you also have free Q&A with teacher after the class. So if you want to ask question, you can personally WhatsApp or Telegram teacher. If you want to join our class for early bird promotion, please contact us now. Send a message to Telegram or WhatsApp and ask for more information about the monthly tuition class. Besides, if you are Form 5 student and you want to get the video for Form 4, you want to revise it, now you can purchase it in our Shopee shop. Search for SPM Malaysia and you can buy the videos directly in our Shopee. Thanks again for your watching and please click subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.